How to log into Pinterest without email address. Let's get started. Launch your Pinterest app. Now click on the option of login. You're gonna get different option as continue with Facebook, Google, or Apple ID. If you have created your account using Facebook, Google, or Apple ID, you just have to click on it, and with that you will be logged into your Pinterest account without using email address. In case you have forgotten your email address or now you don't have access to that email address, what you can do is click on the option of forgot your password. Then you'll be prompted to enter your email name or username. Go ahead and type in that. You can type in your name or username and search for it. Once a username appears, click on send. Now you will be receiving mail from Pinterest to reset your password. Unfortunately, at the moment, you cannot log into Pinterest without email address. In case you don't have access to the email address linked with your account, you'll need to create a new one. So that's a wrap for this video. I hope now you guys are clear if you can log into Pinterest without email address or not. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.